Good morning, students. Myself Syam Patil, and today our subject is accountancy, and our topic is accounting treatment of accumulated profit and reserve. Now, all of you already know that in previous video, Shama ma'am has already explained the sacrifice ratio and gain ratio. So I think all of you know about the sacrifice ratio and gain ratio, how to find out the sacrifice ratio and gain ratio. So in previous video, you have already know that the formula sacrifice ratio is equal to old ratio minus new ratio, and gain ratio is find out with the help of new ratio minus old ratio. Now in this video, what is the accounting treatment of profit and reserve with the help of this changing the profit sharing ratio. Now here first profit and reserve is to be cancelled and profit and reserve not to be cancelled. These are the two situations when the partner is decided, and that time due to this situation the what effect is given on profit and loss and reserve. Now here I will explain all that things with the help of one example. So example is given here. A, B and C are the partners of the partnership firm. Their old ratio is already given. Their old profit sharing ratio is already given 5:3:2. Their new ratio is given, their new profit sharing ratio is given 2:3:5. Now here the balance of profit and loss, credit balance is given 24,000, advertisement suspense account balance, debit balance given 12,000, and question is given कि past the journal entry, एक partner decided to be cancelled both of things, and past the journal entry, एक partners not to be cancelled both of these things. Now first see, when partner decided not to decided to cancel, that means the whatever the profit and loss, whatever the balance of the account is given, all that things is directly distributed among the partners as per their old ratios. Now here see, the profit and loss account in credit balance is given 24,000. That means here profit and loss account credit balance, that means profit, and this profit is given, and condition is to be cancelled. That means the profit is distributed among the partners as per their old ratio in their credit side of their capital account. So entry is profit and loss account debit. When the profit and loss account credit balance is given, that means the profit and loss account is recorded debit side, and all this amount distributed among the partners A, B, C as per their old ratio 5:3:2. So here profit and loss account debit 24,000 to A capital account, to B capital account, to C capital account. Now 24,000 recorded debit side. This 24,000 distributed as per this ratio 5:3:2. That means 24,000 into 5 divided by 10. So you got the 12,000. Same way 24,000 into 3 divided by 10. So you got 7,200. And for 24,000 into 2 divided by 10. So you got 4,800. So in this way, this one is the entry of profit and loss account distributed among the partners. Now second, advertisement suspense account debit balance is given. That means this one is debit balance is given. That means it is a expense. Okay, loss. So this loss amount is here. So this loss amount deducted from the partner's capital account. So here debit balance is given. So this account is recorded at the time of passing general entry into credit side. Okay. So entry is this: A capital account debit, B capital account debit, C capital account debit to advertisement suspense account 12,000. Same way this 12,000 distributed among the partners debit side as per their old ratio. So 12,000 multiply 5 divided by 10. So you got 6,000. Same way 12,000 into 3 divided by 10. So you got 3,600. 12,000 into 2 divided by 10. So you got 2,400. So final entry is A capital account debit, B capital capital account debit to C capital account debit to advertisement suspense account. So these are the two entry when partners decided not to be cancelled. Okay, sorry, is to be cancelled. When partner decided is to be cancelled, at that time the amount or the amount of profit and loss account reserve and fund is distributed among the partner as per their old ratio. Now second condition, not to be cancelled. When partner decided whatever the fund is given here, profit and loss account 24,000, advertisement suspense account 12,000, and condition is given pass the journal entry not to be cancelled. Not to be cancelled, that means here direct effect is given to the partner's capital account rather than distributing their amount in their account. So first of all here, when this type of conditions is given, at that time old ratio is given 5/10, 3/10 and 2/10. Same way deduct the new ratio, that means find out the sacrifice ratio. Formula is given here, old minus new. So same way old ratio 5/10, 3/10 and 2/10 minus new ratio 2/10 here, 2/10, 3/10 and 5/10. So after deducting, so you got here plus form 3/10, here 3/10 minus 3/10, so you got the 0, and here 2/10 minus 5/10, so you got minus 3/10. So A partner is getting benefit while C partner getting loss, that means sacrifice. Now total amount, so find C here, total amount of adjustment, total adjusted amount. Now here profit and loss account credit balance is given 24,000, so write down here profit and loss account credit balance 24,000. Advertisement suspense account debit balance given 12,000, so write down here advertisement suspense account debit balance 12,000. So from 24,000 credit balance deduct the 12,000 debit balance, so you got the 12,000 amount, remaining amount. Now this 12,000 amount is distributed among the partners as per their sacrifice ratio. Now here C is sacrifice because the minus form ratio will come. So C capital account debit 3,600. How this 3,600 will come? So 12,000. See here 12,000 multiply 3/10. So you got 3,600. And C is getting in minus form. So C's capital account debit 3,600 to A capital account 3,600 because A is getting in a plus form. Okay, so in this way, these are the total effect of balancing figure of account. Okay, so again remember all that things properly. When is to be cancelled, is given, at that time the balance of all the reserves and funds are distributed as per their old ratio. And when not to be cancelled is given, at that time first of all find out the sacrifice ratio, and as per this sacrifice ratio distribute the amount and give the direct effect to